Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to complete some parts of exercises of chapter 4, that is heat. So students, open page number 53 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline and keep a pencil with you to fill empty places, to match the two columns and to choose the correct answer in multiple choice questions. Now here we are going to complete C part. Today and in the next class we will complete A and B part of exercises. So you have to do first fill in the blanks. First you have to fill in the blanks in your book, and after it you have to complete fill in the blanks in your copy. So fill in the blanks. In fill in the blanks, number 1 is given that dash do not require any medium. So here you have to write radiation, R A D I A T I O N, radiation. Now in the next, second, heat transfer by a process of convection takes place in liquid, I am writing in short form, and gases, but you don't have to write it in short form. So in second, heat transfer by a process of convection takes place in liquid, liquid, and gases, gases. LIQUID and GASES. Now the third, dark colored objects are good absorbent and radiate. A B S O R P A N T, absorbent and good radiant, R A D I A N T. Now the fourth, temperature of a day is measured with maximum, M A X I M U M, maximum, and minimum, MINIMUM, maximum and minimum thermometer. So this is for fourth. Now the fifth, cooking is faster in painted vessels. Painted. Okay, so check it again. First you have to fill radiation in fill in the blanks, and the spelling of radiation is radiation, and in the second you have to fill liquid in first empty place, that is liquid, and gases in the second empty place, that is gases. Now in third, dark colored objects are good, so here you have to fill absorbent, absorbant, and radiant, radiant. Now in the fourth you have to fill maximum and minimum thermometer, that is MXIMUM, maximum, and minimum, MINIMUM. Now in the fifth you have to fill painted, PAINTED. Now match the two columns. So here okay, first average body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Hair and fur of animals, bad conductor of heat, heat from the sun to the earth, radiation. Now light colored cloth, we can wear light colored cloth in summer. Now sea bridge and land bridge are the examples of convection. Is that clear? Now multiple choice questions. So transfer of heat due to convection occurs in solid, liquid, gases, or D, B and C. So transfer of heat due to convection occurs in liquid and gases. So D option is correct. Now in second, an iron weight of 45 degrees Celsius is dipped in a bucket containing water at 45 degrees Celsius. The heat will, so both have 45 degrees Celsius temperature, so the temperature of both are same, and in this case heat will not flow between them. So option C is correct in 2. Now conduction takes place when two objects are in contact. Temperature of two objects are not same, so both A and B. So option C for 3. Now the 4, cooking utensils are made of metals because metals are, so here you have to take metals are good conductor of heat. Now the 5th, a wooden spoon is used to make vegetable in a metal frying pan. Its other end does not become hot because it is made of wood, and wood is a bad conductor of heat. Now the 6th, a thermos flask keeps a liquid hot by preventing hot loss through conduction, convection, radiation. D. all of these. Now the 7. The temperature of water can be measured with the help of laboratory thermometer. So C is the correct for the 7. So you have seen in C3, D for 1, C for 2, C for 3, B for 4, D for 5, D for 6 and C for 7. So you have to do match the two columns and multiple choice question in your book and fill in the blanks in your book, but fill in the blanks, you have to write fill in the blanks in your copy too. So that's all students. In the next class we will see question answers. So thank you class.